Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. And well, we have a lot to talk about again. Yesterday evening we got some big news, or at least big news. It was unexpected. Also by me, I personally didn't even watch the press conference of the Federal Reserve, because that's what I'm talking about. Yesterday we had the interest rate decision, of course. And the outcome of the interest rate decision, usually you can just already know, all right? They have they're pretty confident and pretty reliable in their estimates, and the estimate was that it would stay the same. That was also known for some time already. So I thought the press conference afterwards would just be the normal yapping around, and that they would not really say anything. But what Jerome Powell said is that he believes that there will be no more rate hikes. And if I remember correctly, initially I think the expected rate was actually 5.75%. So now this seems to be the top, which is great, all right? Because if the interest rate is peaking, a lower interest rate is good for risk on asset markets, all right? Which Bitcoin is. So what happened is that the magical level, which we talked about yesterday as well, 42,600 broke. We broke above that. Have since then also respected it, have also respected this resistance right here around 43,000. And now, purely technically, we are bullish, all right? Purely technically, Bitcoin is bullish again, which I did not expect. I did not put as much weight on the news yesterday as I probably should have. Overall, the open interest saw an increase, but it's not that high. I mean, the open interest is around $12.7 billion, which is a lot. But that's way lower than it was last week. So I'm not 100% convinced yet. And I'll tell you why. And the main reason is that these moves that we got starting from this week were not fake either. All right. There was some sort of a selling pressure coming from wherever. But that selling pressure was real. And historically, when we see selling pressure like this, you never just rebound like this. Now, obviously, the market circumstances are different. I understand, and you all know. Fundamentally, I am bullish on Bitcoin. I've always said, with the ETF, then the halving, and then the interest rates dropping, which we have talked about earlier. That's just super bullish for Bitcoin. But for now, I still need to see a little bit more confirmation to assume that Bitcoin is bullish again, even though technically it already is bullish. The volume right now, which I want to look up, volume right now $25 billion. I would say that that's not enough to push the price up higher. I mean, the volume usually is around 40 billion if we go higher. So the most bullish opportunity right now and situation right now is a consolidation up here, which would be considerably. Wow, it's an early morning for me. More bullish than a consolidation down here. So what we'll see today or tomorrow is that Bitcoin will either break back above 43,200, in which case it's pretty certain that we will consolidate in this region between 42,600 and, ultimately 45,000. Or Bitcoin will still fall back below 42,600, in which case we're in the same situation. But then I do think this level around 40,000 and 40,500 will hold, instead of Bitcoin falling down lower towards 39,000 and 38,500. So yeah, that's what we'll have to see. Like I said, fundamentally I'm bullish on Bitcoin, all right? So I would say it's actually a little bit more likely that we'll get a bit more bullish momentum and that we will consolidate up here. But personally, I'm just wary, all right? More choppy market circumstances are to be expected. So position yourself accordingly, all right? Don't take too many big risks right now, because after moves like these, markets are just quite shaky, all right? And that's just the way it is. But yeah, those are my thoughts for today. I think I said everything. I mean, today we don't have that much big news. I mean, we have the ECB interest rate decision. I don't think that's going to matter at all. And then, no, I don't think there's any big news. So that's what you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments down in the comments. And there you will also find my more info on my premium and signal group. That's up to you to check out if that sounds interesting. It's at least very valuable. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.